What's going on, everybody? It has been a while since we've done a Shift Happens, and my Benz is back. It's been back for a couple weeks now, and I think it's time that we dive into another one of these quick looks. No, not a full review, just a quick topic, a quick video on something going on automotive. And right now, today, for me, that involves this car right here. The Benz. Not the scooter, not the radio flyer, not the dope mountain bike, not Ayrton Senna, and not my garage, which is in horrible need of fixing. And that's actually something that's going to be in another Shift Happens. I got a new power garage door with a belt, and then over there are a pair of ceiling mounted brackets, so I'm going to clean up all of this, get it off the ground, but that's for another video. For now, we're talking about my Benz. Let's go inside the car real quick. So you see, this is where the headrests normally are, but I took the headrests out because these are the headrests that were in there. And these are just sad, oh, see? I didn't want that to happen. I should have known that was gonna happen. I should have picked up like this, but hello, I'm a shitty little headrest, and I just puked old horsehair all over Jeff's roof. Did you see that, buddy? I sure did, and I can do it too. So, sorry about that. I took these headrests to an automotive upholstery shop and said, hey, you think you can fix these? And he goes, no. And that was it. That's how that conversation ended, and that really sucked. So I was pricing out replacement headrests because I was sick of the horsehair falling down into the rear seats or the rear floors. It's disgusting. This is old horsehair. That's nasty. Thankfully, this is where the internet comes in, because I'm part of a Facebook group called the 3 Point Social Club. It's for fans of vintage Benzes, and it's run by some wonderful, wonderful people who buy and sell old Benzes. They have the parts, they have all the great stuff that you need to continue to enjoy the vehicle that we've all come to love. One of those guys on Instagram, I'm gonna put him up right here, Canary MBZ, is a hero because of these. Look at this shots. Look at these beautiful, beautiful bad boys. So, he sold me these and shipped me these. I've been looking at prices of decent headrests online, and none of them are in anywhere near as good a shape as these ones here. And people are charging about $150 per headrest before shipping. Canary MBZ, $100 with shipping total. That is a bro move right there. Thank you so much. Everybody go follow him on Instagram and check out his cool Benzes and all the other stuff, because he deserves more followers and the love, because these headrests are perfect. So let's put him in. So this is where the headrest goes, obviously. Now down here, there's a seat back, and I thought you needed to remove this seat back to get to the point, because you can't just pull the headrest. You can't just pull the headrest out. There's something that locks it in place, and there's a screw way down there. There's a screw way down there that I thought you had to unscrew, take this whole seat back off, and then on the second seat I realized that, and after some reading, there is, where is it? Let me see if I can find it. Somewhere in here, where is it? Oh, right here. So, see if you can see this? It's hard to tell, you can't tell, but there's a button there. So you just push that button, and that's how you get the seat rest in. So let's give this a shot. Let me set up the camera. All right, here we go. New headrests. Slide it in. It feels so good. Come on, baby, get in there. Oh yeah! Look at that mamma jamma. That is so awesome. I wanna come see it from above. Woo! That looks good. I mean, the only problem is now it's so much fresher looking than the rest of the seats that it doesn't match the blue, and I don't care, because it looks, I mean, it's so good. It looks so good. You can kind of see it color matching on the side right there, and on other parts of the seat, but it's so much, it didn't wear like the original seat rest, but who cares? This is Good Lord, feel that. This is so much better. And these came out of a W123. Those are W114, but they fit, and that's all that matters here. Let's put the other one in. All right, you can see some of the color differentiation in the light here, but you can also see what I'm talking about by it lining up better to other parts of the seat in the passenger seat. Like headrest to the side of that seat looks good. Headrest here to the heavily worn portion of the seat, not quite as good, but it doesn't matter. It's blue on blue, and I'm super, super, super duper. Good Lord, look how dirty that windshield is. All right, so headrests are in. Just a quick improvement on a shift happens. Time to dump these disgusting old horsehair puker uppers, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Maybe mount them to the wall as reminders of I don't know, just disgustingness and the time I tried to make a funny joke with talking shit headrests. So we'll fix that. I gotta brush the horsehair off the roof, which that's annoying, but I'll have to pull the car out. The car needs a big bath anyway. And then there's some more upgrades in the works. I am talking to someone about taking this and prepping it for fresh paint. Fixing all the various body imperfections and painting it. Not changing the color. We're gonna keep it this absolutely gorgeous dark blue, but just fixing it and cleaning it up and getting the body back to the shape it needs to be in, getting it painted properly, and then clear coating it so it's easier to keep clean. I'm sick of this single stage paint stuff. We'll go from there, and then we've done some fixes to the engine. It still has a way to go. It's a comfortable daily driver, but it's not quite there yet, but we're getting there. Next step also is suspension. I think it's time to do a shift happens on fixing the suspension. If there's anything you think you want to see me do to this vehicle, let me know. I'm not going to go full Freddy Hernandez on this. I can't do that. I don't have the time, the money, or the skills, and this is not a twin turbocharged Lamborghini, even though that is a fun thing to follow along, so you should go watch that if you haven't been watching what Tavares is up to. But this is just a simple fix. It's crazy how a simple fix like swapping in good headrests can transform a vehicle in a minor way. And that's kind of the fun things that we'll explore on Shift Happens. So see ya on the next one. I gotta do the reverse transition move here.